Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today guys. In Selvin Kitchen we have another awesome delicious recipe for you guys. So we're gonna cook some oxtail. We're gonna cook some brunch to oxtail in Selvin Kitchen. So over here guys we have a kilo and a half of oxtail. We already wash it, we already clean it up already. I already prepped everything for you guys. So we're gonna cook some oxtail. So over here guys, this is all the season we're gonna use to prepare for the oxtail. We have one small white onion. We have one medium-sized orange bell pepper. We have one medium-sized red bell pepper. We have 2 stalks of spring onion. We have 3 cloves of garlic. We have a piece of ginger. We have 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We have 1 tablespoon of ketchup. We have 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. We have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season. We have a quarter of a teaspoon of paprika. We have a pinch of all-purpose season. We have a teaspoon of garlic powder, and we have a pinch of salt. So stay tuned guys, awesome delicious recipe in Selvin Kitchen. So the first step we're going to do guys, we're going to season up this oxtail. So we're going to put in the all-purpose season, onion powder, paprika with the pimento allspice, so we're just gonna get our hand in. We're gonna season up this oxtail. We're gonna leave it to marinate for a good 20 minutes. It's optional. You can put it in the fridge from overnight when you season up it to marinate like a day before, or a couple hours before you cook it. But I'm just gonna marinate it for 20 minutes. So yes, my beautiful people, so the oxtail has been marinated for the last 20 minutes. So now, I'm just gonna put the oxtail in the pot to burn off. Wow, beautiful, nice. The oxtail here, guys. Gonna serve the oxtail with some rice and peas. Yes, my beautiful people, the oxtail been burning off for the last 5 minutes. I'm just going to turn it around and flip them over. So this oxtail, when it burn off guys, I'm going to put it in a pressure cooker. So I'm going to pressure it for around 25 minutes to half an hour. Yes, my beautiful people, so the oxtail now, burn off the oxtail, so now I'm just going to transfer the oxtail into the pressure cooker. But before I do that, I'm just going to add in the ginger and the garlic and the onion. Onion, garlic, ginger. So we're gonna give that a nice mix, a nice stir to get that ginger and that garlic to combine with the oxtail, with the onion. I'm gonna put on the lid on this, give it 5 minutes. Yes, my beautiful people, so the oxtail there for the last 15 minutes been browning out. What I'm going to do now guys, I'm just going to transfer the oxtail, I'm just going to put it into the pressure cooker. So the garlic and the onion and the ginger combine with that oxtail. So what I'm doing now guys, I just put the oxtail inside of the pressure cooker. Gonna add some water to that. All of this now in this pot now, I'm just gonna add a little bit of water to it to rinse it out, add it in the oxtail. So we don't want to throw this away. So what we're doing now, beautiful people, we're just adding some boiling water. Adding around 4 cups of boiling water in that oxtail. We're gonna give that oxtail 25 minutes to half an hour. So this is my pressure cooker guys. I just add on the lid on it. Seal it. Then we put the nozzle on the top. Yes, my beautiful people. So the oxtail been in the pressure cooker for the last 25 minutes, guys. So I just take off the top off of the oxtail. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna check the oxtail if it cook. I like my meat to melt off of my bone, people. So what I'm gonna do now, use the fork and try and separate the meat from the bone. Oh yes, look at that, people. Look at that. Tender, fall off the bone. So this oxtail is ready to season up now. What I'm gonna do now, guys, the oyster sauce with a teaspoon of ketchup. I just add a little bit of water to that. Just add it in and give that a nice mix. So today I ain't gonna add in no beans in this. Cause normal we cooking oxtail, we add in some butter bean, but we ain't had no butter bean in that one today. I'm cooking some rice and peas, and I add a bit of pepper, bell pepper. What I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna add a piece of dry thyme to that. I already washed my thyme already and put them to dry. If you have the fresh thyme give it the same flavor like the dry thyme. Yes, my beautiful people. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna add in the spring onion. Wow, gonna give that a nice stir with that spring onion to combine with that oxtail. Gonna give that another 5 minutes, guys, and you're ready to go. So over here, guys, I have some rice and peas. What I'm gonna serve with. Over here, guys, I have this rice and peas here. Wow, beautiful, awesome, delicious rice and peas. I'm gonna serve it with the oxtail. Yes, my beautiful people. So the oxtail is all finished, guys. Look at that beautiful, tender, delicious oxtail. Let us fall off the bone. Please give me a thumbs up for the video, guys. I'm gonna serve the oxtail with some rice and peas.